Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Simmon Daily again. We about to go on a mini adventure this weekend. It's gonna be real action-packed, in and out type stuff. You feel me? I'm not gonna disclose where I'm going at, but for those of you who want to know where I'm going at, or you want to guess where I'm going at, go ahead and timestamp it in the video. Don't cheat. Timestamp in the video where you think I'm going at, and then towards the end of the video, if you all right or whatever, I might got a prize for y'all. So I want y'all to be a part of this journey with me. We finna hang out good. So appreciate y'all for checking in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow up for the next start. Alright, y'all, so boom. This is my first 24 hours so far, where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? I like it so far. The scenery is good, the food good, the vibe good. Right now it's a 10 out of 10. So today we got breakfast, ATVs, sightseeing, a little bit of hiking, a mixture of things, but we want to overcram everything into one day. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday I had a little bit of jet lag or whatnot, so I had to just relax and stuff, give more time to myself. But today I'm gonna make sure I record some more for y'all, kind of give y'all a vibe of everything. I got my drone with me too, so y'all gonna get scenes from a bird's eye view for sure. Guaranteed. Alright, so we road running right now. I'm enjoying the scenery and whatnot. I just had breakfast, so I just want to give y'all a little glimpse of everything going on or whatnot. It's a nice city, it's a nice state, it's a nice everything. Y'all ever get like a good feeling when y'all travel? Y'all ever get like a good a sense of clarity when you get in the airport and you board the plane and then the pilot say we now departing? That ever give y'all like a good feeling? Cause for me it do. Like when you travel, I don't know, it just make my soul feel free. Like it feel good to like leave my hometown and just go somewhere and just like explore like a new country, a new city, a new culture. You get what I'm saying? Like I feel like everybody should do that. If you don't travel, I recommend you travel. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Simmon Daily. Appreciate y'all for checking in. This trip is a quick getaway, action-packed, very fun. If you haven't realized by now, we was in Arizona. 10 out of 10 experience. Overall, the vibe was great. Food was decent. I got a lot of footage for y'all, a lot of drone footage, etc. I'm gonna go ahead and upload everything. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna tune in for another adventure.